Hey, welcome back. Today I'm handing you a tool that feels almost unfair, the Candle Pattern Explorer. It scans your charts for more than 40 candlestick patterns automatically, tells you whether each one is bullish or bearish, and it works as both a chart indicator and a full market scanner. Let's see what it can do. Here's the deal. This system knows the classic candle patterns kickers. Stars, haramis, engulfing, three crows, you name it. Every candle gets checked, every match gets marked, and everything is sorted by bias, bullish reversal, bearish reversal, or continuation. One tool, a full pattern library, and zero manual chart reading. The engine works in 4 layers. First, it measures the anatomy of every candle, the body, the upper and lower shadows, the size, the gaps. Next, each of the 40 plus patterns is defined as a precise combination of those building blocks. Then it runs that logic bar by bar, symbol by symbol. And wherever a setup completes, you get a marker on the chart and a row in the scan. Let me show you the foundation. This block defines what a candle is made of: a white body or a black body, a big move or a small one, long upper and lower shadows, a doji where open equals close, and gaps between sessions. Every single pattern later in the file is built from these simple pieces. Understand this and you understand the whole system. Here is how a pattern actually gets coded. Take the evening star, a strong up candle, a small indecision candle that gaps up, then a big down candle that closes below the midpoint. 3 candles, 3 conditions, 1 signal. The morning star is the mirror image for bottoms. Once you see a couple of these, the whole library makes sense. The clever part is that the same candle shapes mean different things depending on where they appear. A hammer after a downtrend is bullish. A shooting star after an uptrend is bearish. So the system always checks the trend context first, then labels the pattern with the correct bias. Context is everything in candlestick analysis. Here is a quick cheat sheet of the patterns you will see most. Morning star and hammer after a drop, bullish. Evening star and shooting star after a rally, bearish. 3 white soldiers for strong buying. Dark cloud cover for a rejection at highs. Learn to spot these 6 and you will read most reversal zones on any chart. Now watch this leaf. As the candles form, the explorer flags each completion right where it happens. Green markers for bullish, red for bearish. You can sit back, let the tool do the reading, and only step in when a setup you like appears. That is the whole point. The machine scans, you decide. The chart is great for one symbol, but this is where it gets powerful. Run it as an exploration across your whole list and you get every symbol with a fresh pattern in a single table. Scan hundreds of names in seconds, sort by today's completion. And you have got a short list, not a guessing game. Getting set up takes 4 steps. Paste the code into the formula editor and apply it to any chart. Open the analysis window and switch to the exploration tab. Run it across your watch list or the full market. Then sort by the newest patterns and confirm each setup with your own rules. So here is what you are taking away. A 40 plus pattern library in one AFL. Every signal classified bullish or bearish. The same tool works as chart indicator and as a market scanner. The logic is strict, so the signals stay meaningful and you always stay in control. The patterns filter, your rules decide. Thanks for watching. Grab the code from the description, run it on your watch list tonight, and see which patterns show up in the morning. Drop a comment telling me the pattern you trade most. I genuinely read them all. And subscribe so you do not miss the next free system.